brakes! I'm definitely not going to put this back together like that. So, yeah. New tie rod ends, new ball joints in here. I got my wheel bearings both pressed in. There's a little clip of that. I have new wheel seals in here, so I should be good to go. I also have bigger brakes to put on there. These are NX2000 brakes, 8022. Yeah, so a lot of stuff to get done. Hopefully gonna be able to drive my car by the end of the day. Alright, been working on the Sentra for a couple hours now, making some progress. Got the passenger side basically all buttoned back up. Got the new axle in, put new ball joint in, new tie rod ends in there, got the new brakes on there. That's what I'm gonna touch on now real quick, because don't remember if I think I put this in a video before, but I'm not sure. I'm upgrading to NX2000 8022 VF brakes. It's basically a direct bolt on. You just have to take out or trim the dust shield. I had already had mine previously removed. But shout out to my buddy for helping me out with these things. Definitely gonna help me get some more stopping power in there. But yeah, so this is the this is the pad difference. These are the NX2000 brakes. These are the stock 1.6 Sentra brake pads. You can see there's a pretty noticeable difference in size. These are the calipers. Obviously NX2000 1.6. You can see a pretty big difference in size there. And then for brake rotors, there, that's the 1.6 brake rotor, NX2000 brake rotor. So noticeably different. You can see when you put it like that, it's about an inch bigger. Really nothing crazy, but definitely is gonna be a large improvement over what I have. Seeing as I still have the factory drum brakes in the rear, once this is done, definitely going to be one of the next mods I plan on doing is getting the disc caliper rear spindles and doing the disc rear conversion. But that's later down the road. So yeah, just wanted to touch on the brakes real quick. But I got to do this other side here, and then I'm basically good to go. Hopefully we'll be seeing it drive tonight. It's starting to get a little bit late, and it's just really cold out. So I might wait till tomorrow, but you'll see it either way. Alright, so I got the car all back together, axles are in, ball joints, knuckles are back on, wheel bearings are pressed in, new tie rod ends, brakes, upgraded brakes are in. Didn't bleed the brakes, but I bench bled the calipers as best I could, so I should have some brakes. I don't know still yet if I want to actually try and go drive it. It's like almost 10 o'clock, so I might just put that off till the morning, but I'm going to at least start it, and I've yet to even like put it in gear and like let the clutch out or anything like that, so I want to at least see this thing move forward and backward before the night's over. So let's give that a shot. not the belt. It's the hook pins. Just check it. Found an issue. It's not registering speed on the computer here. I got speed on my dash though. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. I finally got a proper first drive in on the Sentra with the SR20 in it. SR20DE+T, I should say. And yeah, we made it to the gas station and back. I've gotten a few drives around the block. I didn't show it, but I have since changed the oil already. The first oil change, I had like started the car a few times or whatever, and then like I brought it around my block like 2-3 times, which it's, you know, not a very big block. I guarantee it's probably about maybe a mile with like the 3 times I went around the block. So I changed the oil since then, and yeah, things are going good. Kind of getting the tune dialed in, not really, just kind of slowly figuring things out, but I'm a slow learner with that sort of stuff. I don't know, I'm good with hands-on. I could change the heck out of a part, but as far as tuning, this stuff's taken me a minute to catch on to. But we're getting there, finally getting stuff figured out. First drive is out of the way, first couple drives are out of the way, and got it into a little bit of boost. I know I'm kind of pushing my luck here, but I was keeping my eye on that air-fuel ratio gauge, and I know, you know, things were looking all right. So it's looking like it's going to be fun. So definitely stay tuned. Subscribe if you guys are new. Like the video if you can for me, and I'll see you guys next time.